So I went 4 days without washing my hair in these tutorials. Generally, I go about every 3 days before my hair starts to get really oily, but I pushed one day in this one. This is what 4 days of no washing looks like on me. As you can see, my hair is pretty oily. So here's 3 easy no wash hair day hairstyles to help you get through your no wash day. I usually start with a bang refresh. I find that styling my bangs a little bit just helps set off the rest of the hairstyle. This is a messy bun. What I do is I start off with a somewhat loose ponytail. I make a loop, second loop, and then I just twist whatever end I have left, grab a hair tie, and then wrap it around my hair about 2 or 3 times. At this point, I use bobby pins. Because I have longer hair, I just find that the bigger bobby pins secure my hair better than the smaller ones. So I use a few just to secure everything in place. I grab a mirror and I pin back whatever I feel needs to be pinned back. I love this one. All you need is a hat. I like to pull a little bit of hair out of that hole to help my clip secure in place. Essentially, all you do is French twist your hair up, grab a clip, and clip it in place. That's it. This last one is a French twist using a French pin. Once you get the hang of it, you can knock it out in 60 seconds. I'm twisting my hair up and tucking the ends to create a French twist. Now I take my French pin and slide it into the twist, pointing slightly away from it. Then I flip the pin back toward the twist and I push it in flat against my head. That flip is what locks it in place. It's super secure and no bobby pins are needed. Subscribe for more hair inspo.